Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to send direct message on Twitter app. Sending direct messages allows you to communicate privately with other users and keep your conversation secure. So, let's get started on how to send direct messages on Twitter app. First, open the Twitter app on your device. Tap on the messages option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the write a message option. Search for the user you want to direct message. From the search results, select the user you are looking for by tapping on their name. Type in the message that you want to send. Finally, tap on the send button, which looks like a paper plane facing right. Your message will be sent directly to the selected user. And this is how you can send direct message on Twitter app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.